Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase views on Instagram Reels. First, focus on understanding the Instagram algorithm. It prioritizes engaging content. Next, ensure your Reels grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Use trending audio and relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Aim for high-quality visuals and clear messaging to keep viewers hooked. This foundational approach will significantly improve your Reels' performance and reach a wider audience. Consistency is key. Aim to post new Reels regularly to keep your audience engaged and the algorithm happy. Don't just post and leave. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and direct messages. This builds a loyal community. Also, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This exposes your content to their audience and can bring a significant boost in views and followers. To truly optimize for discovery, always prioritize high-quality video and crisp, clear audio. Poor production can deter viewers quickly. Incorporate relevant keywords not only in your captions, but also within your on-screen text, as Instagram's search capabilities are improving. Finally, don't forget to cross-promote your Reels by sharing them to your Instagram stories, Facebook, or even other social media platforms to maximize their reach. To continuously grow, regularly dive into your Instagram insights. This data reveals what content resonates most with your audience, helping you refine your strategy. Always include a clear call to action in your Reels, whether it's asking a question, encouraging a share, or directing viewers to your profile. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Analyzing your performance and guiding your audience are crucial for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.